Hey, what's going on everybody? I wanted to make a quick update video on the Type R since I haven't been making any videos lately, but I have been doing quite a bit of autocross and I've done a few mods so far that I want to show you. I will actually put the last autocross I did in this video. I took another first place. I've podiumed 13 times this season. Not all first unfortunately, but still I've really enjoyed this car. It's been really fun on the track, and I'm going to share with you the mods that I've done so far. First off, I have the rain guards from Aeroflow Dynamics. They're quite a bit cheaper than the OEM rain guards, so if you're looking for a good set of rain guards, I would definitely recommend these. They're really easy to install, and they seem to be pretty good quality. Next up, I have my NK Rygen wheels. They are currently my winter setup. I have my Continental DWS 06 tires on those, and I bought them last year when I got the car. I also have a Hassport rear engine mount, and the newest mod was the PRL Intercooler. And yesterday I just picked up the wheels that I've wanted to get since I've owned the car, and they are the Titan7 TS5 in satin titanium. They're really light, I think around 18 pounds. Not sure what tires I'm going to go with yet, but I really like the look of these wheels.